We're Group 16, SIMA chip company. The first question I have is, why are we all here? So, you are here looking for potential investing opportunities, but more so, I think you're here looking for opportunities for partnerships. We are that company. We are the leading chip manufacturer. We have the highest market share in chips. And like I said, we don't want you to just invest in us. We want you to join us as we build a future of becoming the largest chip manufacturer. We really are, but growing it by much larger proportions. So why join SIMA? As I said, we're the largest chip manufacturer. We are focused and forward-thinking. What I mean by that is we do not deviate from our strategy. We are very consistent, and you will see that in the slides ahead that will be presented. We have a very honest approach. We are predictable, and that is very important when joining us, when joining the partnership. In addition to all this, we actually have concrete deliverables that we can offer. We are R&D leaders. We have very high-grade chip. And as I said, we're stable. You'll see later on in the graphs that we don't fluctuate quarter to quarter. We have constant, continuous growth trends from quarter to quarter. And I think that is very important. And of course, we offer a high ROI. So let me introduce you to the top management team. I myself, Iris Clark, am the CEO. Shachar is our CFO and VP R&D. Amir is our COO, Manager of Operations, and Moran, who unfortunately cannot be with us today, but for good reasons. She's over in the UAE, running a roadshow right now, marketing roadshow, as well as starting up our first plant over there. So I hope you accept her apologies. So our locations. We have two, our locations are currently in Europe and in the United States. And we decided to focus and not, grow to Brazil at this point because it's important to focus and to be conservative. That's our motto: conservative and predictable growth. So we have sales offices, two sales offices, and two chip plants in both locations. Now I'm going to turn the presentation over to Shachar now, who's going to talk about the other advantageous prospects.
Thank you, Iris. I'm Shachar, the VP R&D and CFO of the company, and as Iris just mentioned to you, we focus on chips. This has been our strategy from day one, and we maintain it. And as you'll see later, this is really been profitable for us. Our mission is to be the chip leader. We're already the largest chip seller. Is to grow as chip leader, both business to business and also sell to consumer markets. We are now the only company, manufacturing only chips. As you know, there's been a crisis in the chip market, tough competition. Some other companies, our competitors, have diverged into PC manufacturing. We have stayed in the chip business. We've become an expert, and as you see, this has been very profitable for us. Obviously, we offer high quality chips at fair prices. So we are the market leader at 26%, which is just demonstrating that our strategy is successful. We show consistent growth, both in our total revenues, both in the US and in Europe, also in our sales, in unit sales. In both of them, we show steady growth. And again, this is another demonstration that our strategy indeed works. Being an expert in the chip manufacturing, this is our forecast. For the future, we started at Q1. As you can see, initially we invested money in plant production, in R&D, in a lot of marketing. But since the first quarter and continuing on, we are on an uptrend. Our strategy is paying off, and this is our forecast. This is a very conservative forecast. As we are a very conservative company, we focus on our main strategy. We do not deviate, and this is in fact showing the course. So just to summarize the strategy: focus on chips, invest a lot in R&D, also in branding. We have a strong brand name both in Europe and US. We have very good business-to-business relationships with various companies, and we use economies of scale to our benefit, production at low cost. We have 2 plants in the US, 2 plants in Europe. Obviously, we want to increase our market share, and we want to do it by expanding into new markets. mainly to the Emirates, as Amir will now explain in more details.
Well, we've looked at a new market to expand to, and we found the Emirates is a suitable market for us. This is why. First, it's a developed market. The cheap market in the Emirates is still low. We believe that if we will plant our seeds now, we can gain more revenues in the future. Moreover, the market requirements in the Emirates is to use the high grades, and we, as Shachar and Iris mentioned, have the highest grade, and it fits our strategy. The production cost is very low, and if we will use our brand, it will be high effective in there. How are we going to penetrate to this market? We are going to establish several plants over there. We're going to collaborate with the locals. What we are going to see, how we are going to expand, you can see in this graph. First, build 3 plants in the Emirates and 1 new plant in USA. Then ship our products all over the world. And in the long run, we want to expand to new markets such as South America, and the Far East. What we need to achieve this plan is the 20 million Swiss franc. We need it to build the plant, to invest in R&D and marketing, and some operation costs. The expected ROI of us is 40 or 50%, and we hope you will join us. Thank you.